Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ritu and I make content related to beauty, DIY, skincare, fashion and hauls. In case you want to stick around, please make sure that you click on the subscribe button and be a part of Beauty Squad. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to get that Korean glass skin. Now we are already in the winters guys, and our skin is going to get rehydrated because usually the winters in India is really harsh for the skin. So I'm going to be telling you a very quick routine that you can do at home and have beautiful glowing and supple skin this winters, and a kind of skin which glows from within. So without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in. So guys, the first step is going to be cleansing the face, and today I am going to be talking about this amazing face wash. This one is going to be Pilgrim's Squalene Forming Face Wash. Now it comes with these bristles. These are going to be silicone bristles. I love the fact that you just need to squeeze a bit out and just massage it all over your face. It helps in taking out the impurities from your face. It helps in making your skin glowing, supple and really clean. Also, the best part about this one is it doesn't dry it out overly, so you are not gonna get rid of those natural oils that your skin needs. It helps in hydrating the skin, helps in taking out the impurities from your pores. Also, it consists of vitamin B5 and kiwi extracts, which really helps in making your skin glowing, supple and soft. Now this is very safe to use. The brand is vegan, it's cruelty free, doesn't have any harmful chemicals, no parabens, no sulfates. What else do we need? So I'll tell you how I use it. I use it in the morning and in the evening. Now in someone who wears a lot of makeup on everyday basis, even if you're someone who do not wear makeup, you need to clean your skin thoroughly in the morning and in the evening as well. This one consists of plant derived squalane, which helps in making your skin glow from within. So that is going to be the first step in having a Korean glass skin, to clean it thoroughly. Now we are going to be moving on to step 2, and that is going to be scrubbing the face. Now it's really essential for me to use a good scrub because I'm someone who gets a lot of whiteheads and blackheads on the face, and that is someone we all get. So it is really important to clean those pores inside and out. So these days I am using this Pilgrim's Secret of Jeju Island Volcanic Lava Ash Face Scrub. Now it has been 1 year guys since I'm using this one. I'm really impressed with the results. Now this is really different product because it has volcanic lava ash. Now what it does, it helps in extracting out all the impurities out of your pores. It helps in removing the whiteheads, blackheads that you have on the face and gives you clean and clear skin instantly. It has a very beautiful consistency. It melts in your face. Just gonna take 2 to 3 minutes to extract out those deeply embedded impurities from your face and give you beautiful and supple skin. The best part about this one is that it is not gonna leave your skin dry and will add that required glow. Now if you are someone who has tan guys, it is also gonna help in that because it has volcanic lava ash, which helps in detanning the skin. It has white lotus, which helps in hydrating the skin. Also it has yugdugu, which is a substance help in removing impurities out of your pores. So yes, this amalgamation in a jar is gonna give you instantly glowing skin. So I'll tell you how I use it. Just take a bit, massage it all over your skin for good 2 to 3 minutes, and voila, you're done there. You are gonna have beautifully clean, supple and clear skin. And when your skin is clean, believe me, it is not gonna have those nasty whiteheads, blackheads or the clogged pores. Now we are gonna be moving on to step 3, and that is gonna be using a toner on the face. Now this is a very underrated product guys. Using a toner is really essential because once your skin is hydrated, the aging is gonna stay at bay. So guys, these days I am using this squalane toner and mist. It has kiwi extracts and it also has aloe vera. Now this is a very lightweight formula. As soon as you get done with cleaning the face, you are done with the face wash, you're done with the scrub, now spritz it a bit on the face. Now I usually do it when my face is 90% dry, so it really helps in hydrating the skin. It is made up of natural plant derived squalane, which helps in locking in the moisture. It also has kiwi extracts and aloe vera, which helps in hydrating the skin and makes it all naturally dewy and glowy. Now if you want to have that Korean glass skin guys, it's really essential that you go for a good toner, and this one does the job for me. It is going to be suitable for all skin types. even if your skin is sensitive and acne prone, this is going to do the job for you. Also, it is going to be completely safe to use. It has no nasty chemicals. It is free from parabens, sulfates, or no harmful chemicals. So what else do we need? Now we are going to be moving on to the last step, how to get that beautiful glowing and clear skin, and that is going to be using a good moisturizer. Now we are in the middle of winters. Now winters in North India is really harsh for the skin, so it's really essential to have a good moisturizer. Not just a moisturizer, guys, it should have a good SPF. So here I am going to be talking about this amazing moisturizer that I'm using these days, Pilgrim Red Wine Face Cream, which has SPF 30. This has anti-aging properties, guys. It has sun protection formula, and it also helps in beautifully moisturizing the skin. It is not going to add that shiny face. It is not going to be oily for the skin at all. It gives you that beautiful matte finish and still hydrates your skin properly. Now if you are someone who has fine lines or wrinkles, it is definitely going to work on that. And especially in winter season, guys, we have this habit to go and sit in the sun, and if we skip that SPF, it is really going to be harmful for the skin. So you have one more reason to go for this cream, and that is it has 30 SPF, which is going to protect your skin against this harmful UVA and UVB rays. If you are someone who has a bit of pigmentation and dark spots on the skin, it has lots of vitamin C, which is going to help you in treating the pigmentation on the face. Now this one consists of wine, which has anti-aging properties. It has vitamin C, which helps in fighting the free radical changes. Also, this one has rosehip oil, which helps in enhancing the production of collagen in your skin. Collagen is the building block of the skin, and if you have good collagen, it is gonna have elasticity. You're not gonna have that aging effect like getting fine lines, wrinkles, or age spots on the skin. So I apply a bit on the face, I roll it over, I massage it on my skin. It gets quickly absorbed in the skin. It's a very lightweight formula and gives me smooth, moisturized skin throughout the day. And even if I have any skin concern related to fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, it is gonna be the right cream to go for. Now these were all the products that I wanted to talk about. These are all from Pilgrims, guys. Make sure that you check out these ones and you're not gonna be disappointed. That is something I can tell you for sure. Also, there is gonna be a coupon code on the screen. Make sure that you apply this to get extra 15% off on their official website. And with that, we are gonna be wrapping up today's video. I really hope that you find this one helpful, and I'll see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.